Hey guys, this dog snores. Turn that down. She was just snoring.
All I remember is Coach Brown, he said, you need like 4 yards to get the national record. And I was like, what? And he was like, yeah. Do you want to get it? I said, Coach, that's not important, man. We got the win. He said, no, you go get it.
Here's the handoff. Here's McDaniels. Has the yardage down to the 20, maybe the 19.
See?